who's ready to crack some wax? Here we go. All right, well, what a nice box. Wow, oh, it's taped. 1 second. This always happens during a show. All right. Wow, Upper Deck sure knows their Scotch tape better than how to, you know, distribute cards and stuff. All right, here we go. Here we go. Wow. Look, here we go. Okay. So excited. Like, Marvel cards are so expensive. Like, it's hard to find these. I got a steal on these. Otherwise, I would not have bought them. I can assure you that. Marvel cards. Upper Deck is running a monopoly. There, I said it. All right, let's get cracking. All right, here we go. It's a really cool set. They have a lot of good stuff in here. Well, obviously not that one. Oh, we'll save that one. That's a hit. Or Gambit. Obviously, fan favorite. Oh, Ghost Rider, cool. That's a, man. Wow. And whoever that is. Well, wait, what? Oh, a Gwen Stacy. Ooh, a shiny Gwen Stacy. We'll leave her right there. Next pack. Marvel Annual 2020-2021. Again, you don't buy these Marvel cards these days because they're outrageous unless you find a deal. And I found a deal, and that's why this video is happening. Wow, okay, who's this one? I'll put you with them. Eve Soy. Alright, you go there. Whoa, cool. Rickon. Oh, Wiccan. I'm sorry, I said it wrong. Or, yeah. Alright, we'll leave him there. He's shiny. Oh. Who doesn't like Emma Frost? Oh, well, that guy. We'll put him over there. Alright, we're back in business here. So, I didn't really grade all the hits coming out of this box. There's certainly quite a few hits out of this new annual Marvel series. And one of the cool things is you could land a card that is signed by, like, one of the Marvel comic book artists. So I'm very excited about that. Psylocke, here we go. Oh, Havoc. I mean, these cards are great. Oh my, Black Cat. Are you... Woo-wee. Okay. You go there. These cards are so great. These Marvel packs are always so hard. I've mentioned this before. And it's because of these Karens at Upper Deck. Alright, here we go. Alright, Star-Lord. Moon Dragon. Oh. I guess these blue shiny cards aren't as important as we thought originally. Thor, okay, cool. Nebula, okay, another pack. There we go. Yeah. Always a fan favorite for the M6P. Put you right there. Right there. All right, here we go. That guy. Yeah, no. Another blue card. Ooh. There he is. And there she is. All right. Going back to the packs. What's next? No hits really so far. We got a black card. I think this might be a hit. I'll have to check on this. That might be a hit, but otherwise we have that one black card and a whole lot of these blue insert cards. All right, next pack. Ironheart. We'll let Disney Plus handle that one. All right, Hawkeye. Ooh, I'm putting him off to the side because I love Hawkeye. Another blue card. Oh, first Falcon. Another. Oh, and there's old Natasha. All right, here we go. Well, they're trying to really hit us on the feels with this card set because there's just lots of cards. When I ripped that X-Men card set on the previous video, I didn't know a lot of their names. I know all these names in this set. I love it. All right, here we go. We didn't have him out either. Oh, good. Another Gwen Stacy. Oh! This may be a hit. I'm not sure. Yeah, we better put it right down here just to be safe. We haven't seen a card like that. And, well, he's not doing well. Another Moon Dragon. Great. All right, here we go. Oh, man. It's actually a very cool card, I guess. It's not that cool. All right, here we go. Another pack. First card out of the pack. Everybody's favorite. All right, put you over there. Oh, wait. Yeah, all right. Oh. We've got Null. Looks like Null and Void to me. Oh, that's a keeper. Oh, man. Over there. Yeah. There he is. Oh, wait. I see a rogue. Hold on. I know it's loud. Man, these packs. Super tough. There we go. See, I knew it was a rogue. Oh. Might be something good in there. Whoa. Whoa. Immortal Hawk. What a great set. These cards are so great. So I don't have one of these. We'll just lay that there. All right. Another Falcon and another Soy, whatever that is. All right, here we go. Okay, we got an ID. There she is. There she is. The blue card. And Blade. Our first Blade. There we go. All right, here we go. We'll lay him. We'll move these over a little bit. Straighten them out. All right. Move this over. And another pack. Here we go. First one, the shoulder. Pretty cool. Oh, there she is. Yeah, why not? We haven't had one of him either. Another white card is, the heck is this guy? Sorry. Man, whatever. The Scott! Wow, we're down to the, we still haven't got a really good hit out of this pack, or this box, I'm sorry. But, you know, it's just how it is. Upper deck, man. Alright, here we go. Another Doctor Strange. Oh, wow. Oh, wait, another blue card, too. Wow, tons of hits. Wait, oh! Sorry, hold on. Oh, first namer, cool. Another blue card. Falcon Winter Soldier. Huh. Oh. Alright, hold on. And then we have old Cable here. Alright, here we go. Oh! It's like a 3D card. Pretty cool. Splash-tacular. Oh, wow, it's Carnage. Look at this. Wow, that's so great. Shoot right there. We have 2 packs left. Wait, sorry. 4 packs. So sweet. Oh my gosh. Whoever. Oh! Yeah. It's not that good. Who's this one? Gertrude. Yeah, don't know her. Oh, we know her. Alright. Here we go. No one cares. Oh, there he is. Nope. No. 2 packs. 2 packs. Here we go. We are still looking for a comic book artist or writer's autograph card. These packs are super tough. There we go. There she is again. And there's that one again. Wait! Whoa! Card spilled over and everything. Okay, hold on. Scarlet Witch card here. We haven't seen one like this. That is an insert. That's a good insert. We're going to leave her right there. Nope. Oh! That might be the first Black Panther. Alright, 1 pack. Here we go. Oh, really? Alright, that's cool. Not cool. Very, very cool. Oh, really? Alright, put you right there. And Deadpool. That's our first Deadpool, and that's how we're going to close this Marvel annual 2020 to 2021 unboxing. Thank you guys, and until next time.